So this is why they won't pass me by because of shoe. Ordinary shoe. Why I won't buy? Eh? Now they call me 50,000.
No be juju be that.
Okay, I will go buy okrika shoe now for Aboki people hand. Hey, best idea. Buy me Taboki. At least manager.
There's something I know you are smoking. We need to talk about our. Which one are you smoking?
Aboki, Musa, how you doing? How work?
Fine, sir.
I beg, you get what I dey find. You get second-hand shoe for sale. We do okay to wear go wedding. Next week Saturday na my sister wedding.
I did, sir. I did.
You sure?
I did, yes.
Oh, yeah, mass, yeah.
Original. This one. I sell them for London.
Jesus.
This one. Where I go to UK, go to Lagos. This one.
It's okay.
Jesus, my brain.
This one. I go to Niger, go to Chad. This one. I did okay. This one now. This one. This one. One.
That's what I do for you.
This one. I did fine.
Problem. This one I be shoe and go wedding. Fisherman where they use the keep fish forever be this. What you want? This one no be bunkry they wear am. Bunkry people. This one no be get man shoe be this. What they like crocodile shoe? Which one be the pine where pine no pine? This one I pine. Nah. Nah, you be like say I no correct too. It a Chris.
Jesus!
You dey mad? You no get sense.
Not punish you.
La wahala. Alona buy.
Jesus.
I did create.
Jesus.
Go punish my papa. I forgot on my neck. Go punish my mama.
One more.